Good morning, Balers, and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Ethan Pagulayan.
And I'm Courtney Govan.
Muhammad Ali was an American professional boxer, activist, entertainer, poet, and philanthropist. Nicknamed the Greatest, he is widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sports figures of the 20th century.
He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Muhammad Ali.
San Benito County students from kindergarten to 12th grade are invited to create original art for the 2022 Ecology Student Poster Contest. The contest is open-only works done with traditional media. No computer-generated art is permitted. Submissions from students in grades 3 through 12 will be expected to draw solutions to one of the following questions. How can we use less plastic? How can we get around without a car? How can we use less water? No more than 6 words may be used per poster. Only one entry is allowed per student. Contest winners will have their work enlarged and displayed on Recology trucks and receive a certificate and prize package. The deadline is March 29th, 2022.
Sophomores and juniors, don't miss out on this opportunity. Cal Soap and San Benito High School are hosting an in-person SAT prep course for our 10th and 11th grade students on March 5th, 9th, 12th, and 19th. If you're interested in registering, come to the College and Career Center in room 184 or email San Benito High School Cal Soap advisors A. Poncea, SBHSD, and M. Corrala, SBHSD.
Students who have not pre-scheduled for next year, please sign up to attend your counselor's open HST on Friday, February 18th. This is your last chance to pick next year's classes before the February break. If you are unable to attend, please email your counselor or guidance technician, Ms. Brown or Ms. Avina, to make an appointment.
Are you bored out of your mind not knowing what CTE you're going to do next year? Why don't you join multimedia? We got so many things that you can learn from this class. Art, 3D modeling, set design, acting, filmmaking. There's so many cool things you can do here. There's 3 classes. Intro to multimedia, intermediate multimedia, advanced multimedia. You can do so many jobs. You can be a journalist. You can be a reporter for KSBW. You can do big shot acting in Hollywood. Or you can just, make art on the internet. That's cool too, I guess. We do a bunch of also cool stuff. We do short films, we do interviews, we do sports coverage, and we do 3D modeling and a bunch of Blender stuff. It's the perfect class that you can sign up with your friends. Sign up today, sign up for free!
Stop by and visit the pantry today for some goodies. You can find pantry essentials like spaghetti sauce, noodles, canned tuna, jam, and mac and cheese. We are located in room 396, access off of San Benito Street and the football field parking lot. We are open Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Attention all interested freshmen. Baler football will be holding a second lunch meeting this Thursday, February 17th in the Matson Gym. Bring your lunch and something to write with. Thank you, Coach Smith.
The Baler Bistro team will be making fresh baked banana nut muffins through the month of March. Students and staff can pick them up Tuesday through Friday in the cafeteria. The Culinary 3 class is based on work-based learning and plans to create delicious meals available to staff and students through the rest of the school year.
And that's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thank you for watching, and remember, go Balers!